Alright, my name is Obademi Olakunle, and this is CSE 340, week 2 and assignment 2. I will be deleting my render PostgreSQL data page, and I'll be recreating it, reconnect it with pgAdmin, run my rebuild.sql to build types, data, and tables, and then show task1 query results. First now, I will delete my database on render. This is my database on render, and I'll scroll down to the bottom where I can have the opportunity to delete. I'm deleting it now. And for me to completely able to delete it, I will be able to retype these ways for confirmation. I'm deleting it now. Now it is deleted, and I will also be recreating it. I will now be creating by going to the new drop down here, then go to Postgres and give it a name. Choose basic. Then I would deploy Postgres to create new database. Then I'll wait a bit while it's creating. And now we can now see that the database name given is available. Then now we move to pgAdmin. Then we copy the information from the database we just created. We can copy the host name from the render page. And this is the host name that we created. Maintenance base will be the database name that we're given here, which will be this, and the username, of course, will be this. Oh, okay, there will be there. Then we go to the general page, okay, and it's 3. Then we have to confirm and make sure that everything is fine by going to the parameter and check the SSL. The SSL, this is preferred, it has to be changed to required. Then we can now save. Oh, what could be the cause? Yeah, the error we experienced was because I didn't input the password which I was supposed to copy from here and paste it correctly in my pg4, which I've done now. And now if we go to pg4 and expand on our server, we discover that our database has been created. And if we expand it the more, we'll see the 340 database of final 3 that we eventually created. And to rebuild from our rebuild SQL, I'll right click on this, go to query. From here, go to my folder where I have the rebuild folder, which is this. Open it. As I open it, I run the script from here, and you can see it was successful, and it shows that everything is okay. And just for confirmation, I would like to run a little script to show that the inventory tables were on the classification inventory and account is open. It means everything ran fine. We successfully rebuild our database. Thank you very much. And since my assignment is completed by showing that I have my classification eventual account, I am going to push everything to GitHub. I have my assignment 2.sql well written and the rebuild.sql, and I'll push to GitHub with this few line. Oh, well, everything is gone. Thank you.